Class 5, Chapter 1, Part 3.
Hello students, today we will discuss about the divisibilities by 7. We have studied about 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it is difference the twice of the number at one's place and the number formed by the remaining digit is either 0 or multiple of 7. You can understand by an example. Let's suppose the number is 217. So one's place is 7. So we have to twice the number, means 7 twos are 14 and 21. The remaining number is 21. 21 minus 14 is 7 and 7 is multiple of 7. So the whole number is divisible by 7. So we can take one more example. This is 349. Okay, the number is 349. So one's place is 9. So we twice the number. It will be 34 minus 9 twos are 18. So we subtract 14 minus 8, 6 and 2 minus 1, 1. So the answer is 16 and 16 is not the multiple of 7. So the number is not divisible. Okay. See, next is by 8. For 8 we have to check last 3 digit, means 100, tens and ones place. So it is divisible by 8 or not. Take an example. This is 3136. So the 3 digit means 136 and 136 is divisible by 8. Yes. How? 13 means 30. 8 ones are 8. So remaining is 5 and 56. 7s are 56. So the number is 17. So it is the whole number is divisible by 8. Okay. Next is divisibility by 9. For 9 we have to add the digits and check whether it is divisible by 9 or not. Let's take an example. It is 1119. So when we add 1119, it is 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 1, 12 and 12 is not the multiple of 7. So it is not divisible. So we can take one more. It is 729, means 729. So first we add the number 7 plus 2, 9 and 9 plus 9, 18. So the number is 18 and 18 is multiple of 9. So it is divisible by 9. Okay. Okay, then by 10. For 10 we have to only check the unit place. It is 0 or not. So the example is 2450. We can see 0 at the unit place. So it is divisible by 10. For 11. For 11, we have to difference between the sums of alternate digit is either 0 or 11 or divisible by 11. So, we can understand by an example. It is 1221. First, we have to difference the alternative digit. What is alternate? 1 after 1. Means we have to take odd places and even places. So the number is 1221. So first is 1 plus we have to take the alternate. It is 2. Then 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 1. Okay. It is 3 and 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So the number is divisible by 11. We can take one more example. Let's suppose one bigger one. It is 2, 4, 5, 9, 6. Okay. Then the first place is 6. फिर 9 को रिमूव करके देन 3. फिर 4 को छोड़ के हम 2 लेंगे. सो ऐड कर दे 3, 9, 10, 11. ओके. देन वी टेक 9 and 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. So when we subtract 11 minus 13, it is minus 2. So the number is not divisible by 11. Okay. Next, divisibility by 12. Okay. So we have to check the number is divisible by 3 and 4 both or not. Okay. Let's suppose a number is 264. 264 is divisible by 3 and 4. So it is divisible by 12 also. Next is 15. For 15 we have to check the number is divisible by 3 or 5. Okay. Let's suppose a number is 225. 225 5 unit place में, so it is divisible by 5. For 3 we have to add 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5 9. 9 is multiple of 3, so it is divisible by 5 and 3 also. Okay. So the number is divisible by 15. Okay. There is one more topic. It is a square and square root of a number. Okay. So what is a square? Square means product of a number multiplied by itself, called square of the number. Okay. Product, we have to multiply the same number 2 times. Okay, the same number. For example, the 4. So we have to multiply 4 into 4. Okay, not take 4 into 2. It is wrong. We have to multiply itself. Okay. So we have taken an example 2 square. We put like this. 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4. 9 square is 81. Okay. For example, 11. What is the square of 11? It is 121. Okay. So what is a square root? Number which multiplied itself produce given quantity is called the square root. Okay. And here is a symbol of a square root. Like this. We put like this. Okay. So what is square root of 25? It is 5. Okay. Because 5 into 5 is 25. What is square root of 289? It is 17. 17s are 289. Okay, what is square root of 400? It is 20. Now you can do, what is the square of root of 441? It is 21. Okay, the next is prime factorization. What is prime number? Prime number, a number which have only 2 factors, 1 and itself, is called prime number. Factorization. So we have to prime factorization 225. So we have to take only the prime numbers. Okay. 225 first 5 because unit place is 5. So when we divide 225 by 5, it gives 45. 45. Then we can divide by 5. So it is 9 3s are. So the factors of 225 is 5 and 3. Let's take one more example. 144. So first 2, the smallest multiple, smallest prime factor, prime number 2. So it is 7 and 2. फिर 2, it will be 3 and 12, 36. फिर 2, it will be 1 8. Then 2, it will be 9. Then it will be 3 1. So the factors of 144 is 2 and 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are, and when we multiply whole, the number is 144. So now you can do the prime factorization. This is the last topic of our first chapter. We have now completed the chapter.